Continuous Integrated Laser Cleaning Machine VLC 2000B. Integrating cutting-edge technology and intelligent upgrade. Integrated design for easy mobility. Continuous operation with no lens burning. 360 no dead angle cleaning. Effectively removes oil, rust, paint, coatings, plating, etc. without damaging the substrate and without secondary pollution. Preset process library. One-click switching, simple and easy to use. Empowered by smart interconnection. It overcomes distance limitations. With remote control and online technical diagnostic. Upgraded anti-freeze technology. Intimate minus 10 degrees Celsius protection. Core components from top-tier brand. Safe, durable, and reliable. The product has passed multiple professional tests and is widely used.